Even with the right machine and setup, pad printing results depend heavily on one key factor: the ink. In this video, we're going to cover the main types of ink used in pad printing and how ink selection relates to different materials. Pad printing inks aren't one size fits all. The wrong ink choice can lead to poor adhesion, smearing, long cure times, or durability issues. Choosing the right ink ensures clean prints, strong adhesion, and long-term performance. Solvent-based inks are the most commonly used inks in pad printing. They offer excellent adhesion to many plastics, metals, and coated surfaces, and they're widely used in industrial applications. We typically work with high-quality ink systems, like Marabou, because consistency, adhesion, and repeatability matter in production environments. Two-component inks combine a base ink with a hardener. This creates a chemical reaction that significantly improves durability, chemical resistance, and abrasion resistance. These inks are often used when parts will be exposed to chemicals, wear, or harsh environments. UV-curable inks use ultraviolet light to cure almost instantaneously. They're useful when fast cure times are required, but they do require UV equipment and careful process controls. Some materials require specialized ink systems. For example, when printing on silicone parts, standard inks simply won't bond properly. In those cases, silicone-specific inks are required, and the printing process needs to be carefully controlled to ensure adhesion and durability. Different materials, plastics, metals, glass, rubber, and coated surfaces all behave differently during printing. In some cases, surface treatments like flame, plasma, or corona treatments are used to improve ink adhesion. A common mistake is assuming one ink will work for every application. Changes in material, coatings, or even suppliers can impact print quality, which is why testing and proper ink selection are so important. In the next video, we'll look at how pads and plates affect print quality and consistency, and how to choose the right ones for your application. If you have questions about ink selection or material compatibility, you can learn more at automarkco.com or reach out to our team. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hitting the bell notification will assure you are alerted when we post more great printing content. Thanks for watching.